Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add your checklists in your cards in your boards on Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to connect to your Trello workspace by logging in into your Trello account, and if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. Otherwise you can just sign up with your email and create a new one. So after you succeed in connecting into your Trello workspace, just follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing that we need to do is to go to our board here in the board list, or you can go to your boards section and click on the board that you want. So let's have any card that we want. So let's go for this card, and to add a checklist, we will need to have a more detailed view to our card. So all you need to do is to click on the card, and as you can see, we'll have this more detailed view to your card. After that, as you can see, the third thing that you can see is a checklist, and basically you are going to give it a name, for example, tasks, and you can copy these colors. So let's just click on add, and here you can add items. So you are going to give it a name, items 1, item 2, item 3, and of course for each item you can assign it to a person or to a member. And you can give it a date for if you want, say for example you can just have it as a card, etc. So you can add as many things, or you can have some emojis if you want, but the most important is that you can add as many cards as you want or items as you want, and then you will just quit your card or like that, and basically we'll have them viewed or displayed in your card. And when you want to check an item, all you need to do is to click on your card, and then you will go to the task that you want, and then you will just check it, and it will be also displayed in your card. And after you finish all your tasks, for example, or when you check all the items, you will find that your card or your checklist is being colored with green. That means that you have finished all your items and you have checked them in all. And basically and simply, this is how you can add checklists in your cards on Trello web application. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.